Poking around inside GameCube or Wii game files and found GX data? This relates to Nintendo's proprietary graphics hardware interface. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll explain what these GX graphics files contain, and how homebrew developers work with them. When we reach the final stage, we'll shift gears. We are going to maximize results with a single highly effective GX file inspection program that provides coverage for a wide range of formats. GX files are graphics data files related to the Nintendo GX graphics API used on GameCube and Wii consoles. They contain GPU command data texture definitions, vertex buffer configurations, and rendering state parameters formatted for the ATI-based GPU hardware in Nintendo's 6th and 7th generation home consoles. GX files contain binary GPU command streams and data structures following the Nintendo GX API specification, including display list commands, vertex format, descriptors, texture object definitions, transform matrices lighting parameters, TEV stage configurations, and rasterizer state settings for the Flipper and Hollywood GPU architectures. The primary software for GX is recognized as Dolphin Emulator, developed by the Dolphin Emulator project. The file must be mounted or accessed using specialized file system emulation software. Windows cannot open game archives or pack files natively, so specialized utilities are needed. Your first move is key. Right-click the GX file and select Open With. Test with Dolphin Emulator if it appears. If it doesn't, select another program. It's often necessary to test multiple applications to solve the issue. If the GX file won't open, don't panic. Congratulations on making it this far. We know the file is difficult. Now let's systematically test these common failure areas to pinpoint the origin of the problem. First, analyzing with Dolphin. Open GX-related game files using the Dolphin Emulator's FIFO analyzer and graphics debugging tools. Load the game in Dolphin and enable the FIFO player from the Developer Tools menu. This captures and displays GX command streams showing texture loads, draw calls, and rendering state changes in real time during game emulation. Next, viewing textures. Use Brawlbox or Brawlcrate community tools to extract and view textures from GX formatted game data files. These tools decode GX texture formats, including CMPR I4, I8, IA4, IA8, RGB565, RGB5A3, and RGB8, encoding into standard viewable image formats. Export extracted textures as PNG files for inspection or modding purposes. Finally, developing with LibOGC. For homebrew development on Wii, use the DevKit PPC toolchain, with LibOGC, which provides a C API wrapping the GX graphics hardware. Study GX function calls an example code to understand vertex format, setup texture loading, TV stage configuration, and display list compilation. The LibOGC documentation details all GX API functions and data structures. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. This professional-grade approach allows the software to analyze the file autonomously, which can offer a significantly higher chance of success for stubborn or non-standard formats. Takeaway: the inability of Windows and 7-zip to open the file suggests a unique format signature. FileMagick is the comprehensive solution built to handle these exceptions. Find it at FileMagick. If you appreciate these expert walkthroughs, consider hitting the subscribe button to support the channel.